Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video is a very short tutorial and I'll be showing you guys how to convert yeah Excel work into a Microsoft Access database. So here you can see my table is completely in Excel. My work is done in completely in Excel. So I have four different tables which I wish to convert it to a database. So what I want to do is to close these four tables, close this Excel page, then I search down here, access. I open my access app, I open it, create new database. Yes. So I'm going to go here to I'm going to look for external database on my menu tab. I'm going to look for my external database. Then here you are going to see export and export. So I'm going to go here to new data source, which implies that these are imports. Or if you have to already make an import with your database into your database system, it's going to save here. So I'm going to get here and go to things I want to import from my Excel file. I'll see Excel. I'll click here. It means that if you can also import your work done on the HTML document into your database system directly, this would not cause any problem. So I'm going to go to my Excel and click here. I'm going to browse where I've stored my document in my desktop. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to go to my desktop, go to my document, look for my document I'm looking for. Desktop, yeah. So I'm going to look for my work. So this is the table in which I want to convert. Hit OK button. So here now like this is going to show my four different tables present in that particular Excel worksheet. So I'm going to click on the first table, which is my order table. So I'm click on next. It will show you the available rows which are present, the order ID, customer ID, and order name, and their field and their data that are present in them. I hit my next button. Then here it's going to ask you the field name. So by default, I'll leave it to be my order ID, and then my index, I'll change it to no, and then I hit next. Then here you're going to see let's add a primary key. So I don't want my machine to add the primary key. I was going to give it a primary key called auto number, as you see here with auto number. As you can see here, this is a machine generated primary key. So I'll click on no. When I click on no, this primary key will automatically disappear, as you have seen. So I hit my next button and I'll save the table to be my other table. I hit finish. So here I'm going to close my table. So I'm going to go to my other table. So as you can see, this is my data here. Okay. So